Good evening. Behind me now is a magnificent conjunction of the crescent moon and the brilliant planet Venus, making a wonderful pairing in the evening twilight sky. Now the moon, of course, is going round the earth every 27 1/3 days, and the moon has no light of its own. It shines by reflected sunlight. And as the moon goes round the earth, we see more or less of the half of the moon that's lit up by the sun. Because remember, the sun can only light up half the moon at a time. Half's in daylight, half is night. At the moment, we're seeing just a 15% illuminated moon. The other 85% of the moon is in night, and you'd think that it ought to be completely dark. But it isn't. That 85% of the moon's disk is glowing very feebly. It used to be called the old moon in the new moon's arms. And it's a rather lovely sight. It's so good tonight you can see it with the naked eye, and certainly in binoculars and a telescope it's really lovely. The explanation for why the night side of the moon should be glowing feebly like this was given by none other than Leonardo da Vinci at the start of the 16th century. Now, when you hear Leonardo's name, you don't generally think about the moon. You think of the Mona Lisa or remarkable designs for flying machines that were centuries ahead of their time. But in his work, Codex Leicester, written sometime between 1506 and 1510, Leonardo da Vinci correctly explains why the night side of the moon is glowing feebly. He correctly explains that it's because sunlight is hitting the Earth and being reflected back out into space, and it is that light which is lighting up what should be the night side of the moon. Today we call it Earthshine, but it's also known as the Da Vinci Glow. And it is a beautiful thing to see, and I hope that you'll get a chance to have a look at it. Certainly you can see it best when the moon is only a thin crescent. As the moon's phase increases to first quarter, half phase, it tends to be rather difficult to see the earth shine with the naked eye. You can certainly see it with that tonight. But with a telescope, you will pick up the earth shine, and you will be able to see the night side of the moon glowing feebly in that light reflected back from the earth. Now, Leonardo said that it was the light reflected from the surface of Earth's oceans. Well, not completely right. Today we know it's the light reflected from Earth's clouds that is causing the earth shine. But you can see the earth shine every month when we have a crescent moon in the sky, and the sky is as beautifully clear as this. Enjoy watching the Da Vinci Glow.